This is plasma, the fourth state of matter. In school, we learned about solid, liquid, and gas, but plasma is also a real state of matter. It is so hot that the electrons in a gas separate, and this state can conduct electricity. If you cut a grape in half and put it in a microwave, the glow you see after a few seconds is plasma. It looks like fire, but it's actually 6,000 to 10,000 degrees Celsius hotter than regular flames. Our sun is also made of plasma, which is why it releases so much energy. In the future, plasma will be used in energy medicine and space technology. Subscribe Facts with Shezi for more amazing videos like this.